Now in the following portion means what? Tadarshinam. After bhavat, it is actually tatha rishinam. I'll break it. In the following portion, Upanishad finds out difference between Gyan and Karma now. Because Karma is based on Varnashram and Gyan is not based on Varnashram. This is the topic. So Varnashram means what? Specific action only specific people can do. You can't do all action. Moment action comes, qualifications come, that you are qualified, not eligible. Eligibility is there. Well, I want to drive, what is your age? Immediately it will be. I want to get admitted to the college, what is your qualification? What is your previous classes? What is your marks? Similarly, when karma comes, varnashram comes immediately. But Gyan, anybody can have. Gyan, there is no criteria. Tuladhar is there in Mahabharata. He had the knowledge of the self. I think he was Shudra. He was a seller of meat seller, Tuladhar. So Jnanam is based on what? Atma, which is same in all. But Karma is based on Anatma, and therefore it is not same in all. And therefore, to do Karma, you have to follow the rules of Anatma. But Atma does not have any rule, because there is no doer. Moment you come into area of action, all around rules are there. Well, I want to live in your house, certain rules have to be there. I want to live in the ashram, rules are there. In this house also rules are there. We don't eat non-veg in our house. We don't smoke in our house. We have prayers in our house. Okay? If anybody wants to meet you, you also have personal rules. Meet me at this time, in this manner. Not that he knocks at 12 o'clock in the night. He said, no, this is not the right time to meet. So here we should follow all the rules of Karma Kand. But anybody who wants to get knowledge, he should be Arthi Samarthi. Arthi Samarthi. This is the definition of Adhikari. Vidwan. कोई बोलेगा चौथा, शास्त्रेण अपर्युदस्तः. बोले अगेन से slowly say. Arthi means one who is desire. Samarthi means one who has qualification. And Vidwan means he knows what he is wanting. He knows what, sometimes you say, you know what you are wanting? Well, I want to fly. What? Aeroplane. Aeroplane, you are not fit for flying. You can make a paper aeroplane and fly at the most. You are not fit for flying plane. No, but I'll go to the cockpit. No, cockpit you may go, but he will not allow you to sit on your seat. No, I want to sit on pilot seat. And I'll ask him to sit on my seat. See, we have to go to the place, not to Yamraj place. You don't know. But I'll try. You don't know anything what panel is there in front of you. There are hundreds of panels are there. You don't know anything. While walking, you yourself fall so many times. What will you fly airplane? How you will go for soft landing? And here. Arthi Samarthi Vidwan Shastrena Aparyudastha. What is not negated by the scriptures. This is the definition given in the Purmimamsa. Now to show this nature, but that not even Manushya, but Devatas also can get knowledge. There is no discrimination. Any Shudra also can go and get knowledge. Any Shudra is there, poor person also he can get knowledge. But for poor person to do home ityadi, नाउ कंडीशंस आर देयर, वो आगे चारों तरफ से गार्ड आ गया। बोले व्हाट इज योर कास्ट? बोले आई एम शूद्र बाय नेचर। सॉरी, अरे नहीं कर सकते हम, नहीं बैठ सकते, संकल्प नहीं ले सकते। वैश्य बैठ से ले सकते हैं, यस। वाई आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू दोज डिटेल्स, इफ यू रिक्वायर्ड आई विल गिव यू द कॉज लेटर ऑन। I told you, Ashwamedh yagna Brahman cannot do. Vajpayee yagna Kshatriya cannot do. But ज्ञान सबके लिए है, भक्ति सबके लिए। उसके क्या, नाम कोई भी ले सकता है, हरि को भजे सो हरि का हुई। That is unconditional. ये थोड़ी ना कि ज्ञान is only for high class and not for lower class, and bhakti is for, it is not like that. So for devatas, now devatas also can get knowledge and get freedom, and Upanishad quotes the mantras in this particular, and now I am going to read that where this Upanishad is showing, and how can devatas obstruct the gaining of knowledge. This is second topic. Let us read now. I will read after. Tad yo yo devanam. No, I will please repeat after me. Second line. After bhavat you put purn viram or ardha viram. Tad yo devanam pratyabudhyat sa eva tad abhavat tatha ऋषीणाम तथा मनुष्याणाम तद्यैतत् पश्यन् ऋषिः वामदेवः प्रतिपेदे अहं मनुः अभवम् सूर्यश्चेति तद इदम अपि एतर्हि य एवं वेद अहं ब्रह्मास्मीति स इदं सर्वं भवति तस्य न देवाः च न भूत्या ईशते आत्मा येषां स भवति। देखो, दिस इज द मंत्र नाउ. आफ्टर दैट अगेन वी विल सी लेटर ऑन. तद यो यो देवानाम, दिस इज कॉल्ड निर्धारणे षष्ठी. अमंग द देवतास, among the devatas, yo among the devatas, who knows? Among the devatas, not that only human being, although devatas are difficult to know because they have bhog prarabdha. So human being is better. So don't बोले अब जब देवता होंगे तो ज्ञान हो जाएगा. अरे अभी जो नहीं हो रहा है तो आगे क्या होगा? So तद यो यो देवानाम प्रत्यबुध्यत. प्रत्यबुध्यत means gains the knowledge. Gains the knowledge. In Kedopanishad, there is one devata called Indra. He had the knowledge. Who was the teacher? Uma. Uma came, Yaksh came, then Uma came. So Yaksh told the knowledge to Indra. And Indra gave it to Agni, etc. So they also had the knowledge. Similarly, Brahma ji, Chatushloki Brahma comes in Bhagavad. So Chatushloki Bhagavad has been given by Lord Narayan to Brahma ji. Okay. So that knowledge also they may have. अच्छा, हाँ. यो यो देवा नाम प्रत्यबुध्यत स एव तद भवत. He becomes that. अच्छा, हाँ. वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा है भाई. देवताओं को भी नॉलेज हो जाए, अच्छी बात है. अच्छा, हाँ. तथा तथर्षि नाम, इट इज अ संधि हियर. Tatha rishinam. Among the rishis also. Tatha means same. Same among the rishinam also. Some rishis also can have. So don't think I think I'm the pioneer one who is having the knowledge. ऐसा नहीं है. अच्छा हाँ, I thought I'll write a book, Pioneer Gyani. So it's not like that. Bahavo Gyan Tapasa Putamad Bhavamagata. Gita has used the word Veet Rag Bhayak Krodaha Man Maya Mam Upashrita. Bahavo Gyan Tapasa. ऐसे भगवान बोल दिए. बोले many have known this. पहली बार नहीं भाव. Bahavo Gyan and Puta. Puta means purified. They have attained me. अच्छा. So it is written तथा ऋषीणाम च तथा मनुष्याणाम. अब all are निर्धारण षष्ठ. among उसमें से. So among the मनुष्य. अच्छा. Then what happened? Tad ha becomes dha in sandhi. Tad dhyaitat pashyan. Pashyan means aparokshaya janati. Aham brahmasmi. He is knowing aparokshaya. Aparokshaya means what? Knowing that consciousness which is without thought also. I've already told everything. So he also knows it. He also may know it then. अच्छा, ये तो बड़ी खुशी की बात है भाई. सब लोग जान गए. तद हे तत् पश्यन. Pashyan is not seeing. Pashyan is knowing. And what knowing? Rishi. Pashyan. कौन है ये? ऋषि वामदेवः प्रतिपेदे. Pratipede means he declared. He owned up that knowledge. And after owning what he said, he had become everything. How he said this? Aham Manuhu. I am Manu. I am everything. Manu means I am everything. I am Stri, I am Puman, I am man, I am animal, I am donkey, I am horse. ऐसी ऐसी बात बोला है. यहाँ तो नहीं बोला, यहाँ छोड़ दिया है. Because it is Upanishad, they talk in a short cryptic language. But if you read in Shweta Shwetar, Tvam Stri, Tvam Puman, these words are used. So in Shweta Shwetar, Aham Manu Abhavam, Aham Suryaha Cha iti. I am sun also. Arey bhai, tum sun ho? Whose sun? No, not that sun. Not S-O-N. I am S-U-N sun. Okay. I think I'm clear about that. This is the glory of the knowledge. That there is no foundation. Glory of the knowledge is there. इसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. एक कर्म को कोई भी रोक दे. knowledge को हमको कौन रोक पाएगा? You can't stop me from meditating. And I'm a poor person. It doesn't require money. But I have to do Karma Kand. A lot of money is required in Karma Kand. Firstly, Pandit will charge. Secondly, the samagris are there. Havan samagri is required, then ghee is required, kheer is required. Then what is it called? Wood is required, samidha is required. A lot of things are required. So Pandit will make a list. And you have to go to that market. In Pune also you have market, and in Bombay also you have market. Lot of market are there. Puja shops. Acha, by the time you purchase, it will cross 1,000-2,000. Don't worry. So, Bhashyakar said that liberation is for everybody. Now another beautiful point is there. Beautiful. All points are very beautiful. बस आँख होनी चाहिए उस ब्यूटी को देखने की. Not everybody appreciates every point. This is what I say, sensitizing our mind. Next point it is said, after Jnanam, is there distance between Jnanam and Moksha? ज्ञान हुआ फिर मोक्ष हुआ, ऐसा है क्या? Is there a distance between Jnana hua and then moksha hua? So after Jnana there is a moksha, or some kale a moksha is there. This is the next point which is mentioned, and you have to understand now. I already talked about moksha. Knowing Vedant is I am free already. Moksha is the name of Jnana. Moksha is not after the Jnana, like the karma. Karma phal will come after the karma. Bole, I did Satnarayan Puja thinking that I will get married. और पूजा हो गई, फल ही नहीं आ रहा है. 1 month has passed, no boy, girl, nobody is coming. सब बेकार हो गया पैसा, all money is wasted. और I have done रुद्री पाठ. अच्छा हाँ, and दो fruit आए नहीं. In karma, fruit is taddesh tatkal, and karma is etaddesh etatkal. ये महिमा है. अब इंतजार करो आप. You wait now. I give so much of donation, but still good fruit. अरे भाई, well, why not the fruit is coming? No, existing fruit are continuing. The fruit which you want is in a queue now. And it will find its due time to come. Bole, but I want immediate. Immediate, then you do tivra karma. Still it will take some time. Karma kale phalam will not come. Karma kale eva phalam na agacchati. But jnana kale eva mokshasti. महिमा है इसकी. बोले रुद्री पाठ तो हो गया, पूजा हो गई, डोनेशन आएगी, फ्रूट ही नहीं आया. फ्रूट इज इन द क्यू. व्हेन आएगा, कब आएगा? व्हेन नेक्स्ट बार. हमें नहीं चाहिए नेक्स्ट बार वाला. ये देखो सुनो, ये तुम्हें चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, यू विल नॉट डिसाइड. ओके, नहीं चाहिए, रखे ना अपना. बोल देना भगवान से हमारा फ्रूट रखे ना, हम नहीं चाहिए. नो बट देना तो अभी दे, नहीं तो नहीं चाहिए. देखो ये जिद पर नहीं चलेगा. दिस स्टबर्न नेचर वोंट वर्क देयर. दिस इज नॉट मम्मी डैडी. वो कर्म फलदाता विल डिसाइड. अरे बट हम परेशान अभी हैं. देन यू हैव टू डू तीव्र कर्म, very तीव्र कर्म. सुंदरकांड do 11 times per day. 11 times. If I remain there, then I will continue tomorrow also. तो मर ही जाएंगे. सुंदरकांड 11 times. हाँ भाई, do दुर्गा शक्ति चतुर्थी पाठ. सतचंडी, हवन you do सतचंडी. अच्छा, then what will it will be तीव्र कर्म. Then it won't follow the queue. No, that is a VIP karma, no? So then that VIP karma will come faster. The siren will be coming, then it will stop. रुक जाओ पहले इसको आने दो. हाँ, there is one श्लोक. त्रिभिर मासैहि त्रिभिर दिवसैहि त्रिभिर्षै क्षणैहि अति उत्कट पाप पुण्य फलम इह एव भुज्यते. One श्लोक says within 3 months, 3 days and 3 घड़ी, if tremendous bad and good both, अब मर्डर हो गया हमने, अब फल आ गया, वो वीआईपी आ जाएगा. वो अब यू हैव मेड दैट फल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ इट विल नॉट वेट फॉर क्यू, वो आ जाएगा ऊपर से. उत्कट कर्म होना चाहिए, फिर तीव्र कर्म. बट पॉइंट, कर्म काले फले ना गच्छति, फलम ना गच्छति. बट ज्ञान काले एव मोक्षस्ति. ऐसा नहीं कि फिर कभी मोक्ष हो जाएगा, आज तो ज्ञान हो गया, मोक्ष बाद में कभी होगा तो होगा. देखो, वन स्टेटमेंट इज देयर, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड, वेरी कॉमन स्टेटमेंट. ज्ञानात एव कैवल्यम. बाई फ्रॉम नॉलेज अलोन इज द मोक्ष. दिस वॉज द अर्लियर स्टेटमेंट. You know what is the latest statement? What is the statement of the Jnani? Jnanam eva kaivalyam. Not Jnanat eva. From Panchami, he is coming to Prathama. Not Jnanat eva kaivalyam. From knowledge, from indicates that first knowledge was there, then kaivalyam. Jnanamev kaivalyam. You can write this somewhere. Okay. This is the glory of the knowledge being sung. इसको बोलते हैं उसकी ग्लोरी सुना रहे हैं, महिमा हो रही है उसकी. इन दिस 10th मंत्र नाउ, देखो 10th मंत्र के कितने पार्ट्स हैं. उपनिषद गिव्स अहम ब्रह्मास्मि ज्ञानम, एंड दैट ज्ञानम इज नॉट ओनली ज्ञानम, इट इज सर्वात्म भाव. सर्वम अभवत, ही इज बिकमिंग ऑल. सर्वम आत्मा. दिस सर्वम आत्मा इज कॉल्ड मोक्ष. सर्वम आत्मा इज कॉल्ड मोक्ष. अच्छा, हाँ. देन व्हाट इज देयर? So, somebody said, bhai, between karma and karmphal, who is in between? Who is in between karma and karmphal? Devatas. देवता नाराज हो गए आपसे. You did havan etc. And you did not invoke the Gram Devata, Kul Devata. Here also there are Kul Devata, Gram Devata. Or you have not taken Pitar name. Pitar. You have to invite them in marriages, etc. If the priest is there, at least he will take that name also. You will not invite the Pitar and there is a pind is not kept for them, bhag is not kept, they will delay the fruit. And therefore sometimes you must have seen, once in a year they go for darshan of their Gram Devata, Kul Devata, jo kuch bhi hai. They may be far away. Some are in Goa sometimes. But still you go, bole wo hai, Mangeshwar jo hai, that is my Kul Devata, I will go there. और far away, मैं दर्शन कर लेते हैं भाई देवता, क्योंकि वो they have a role there. So कर्म फल विषय प्रतिबंधम देवाहा. The devata are the pratibandh in the fruit of action. Therefore, all the action, all components of the action should be good to get a good fruit. If one component is not okay, then all the phal will be noon. It will be little less fruit. Okay. Like you went to somebody's house for dinner. He gave everything, but sweet dish he had not made. Because you had told earlier that I am not taking sweet nowadays a lot. You said a lot, but he totally cancelled it. And after the food was over, I was looking towards the kitchen. I was thinking, अब आया. हम तो बैठे ही थे. अब क्या करें, वो आया नहीं. And even if I don't eat, at least he should keep in front of me. Some paisam, something they should keep. कुछ नहीं तो मिठाई तो रख देते. नहीं रखा. Although I take little, but that little also has a meaning for me. I am not going to take the whole sweet, but little which is there, that I want to see that. अब you did not give me. तो उसका जो fruit, जो जितना हमें खुश होना चाहिए था, there is a little less noon phal is there now. थोड़ा सा कम आ गया वो. All components of the fruit, karma. Therefore, those who do karma kand, they are very, very careful. Because food is affected, or your clothes are not okay, supposing, or while chanting you yawn in between. And after yawning, immediately rule is you have to do achmanam. अब yawning की कोई सत्संग तो है नहीं. अब यानिंग कर लिया, अब दैट देवता अशुद्धि आ गई, वो रहेगा नहीं आपके पास. If you are too clean, too pure, and somebody has not taken bath, You will be shy of touching him also. बोले नहीं है इनको, आई विल नॉट टच हिम. अब देवता कहाँ से आएगा? सो आसन शुद्धि, हजारों शुद्धि होती है. पृथ्वी त्वया धृता लोका देवी त्वं विष्णुनादिता त्वं च धारय माम देवी पवित्रम कुरु आसनम. देन न्यास इज देयर, हजारों न्यास. वो आप उनको बुला रहे हो, बड़े आदमी हो. बट बिटवीन ज्ञान एंड मोक्ष दे हैव नो से. बिफोर ज्ञान they have a say. They can be instrumental in bringing teacher, guru, my health should be okay, therefore ये भद्रम करणे भी शुणयाम देव, वो सब कर लो आप. लेकिन ज्ञान has taken, कुछ नहीं, बोली you are out of the picture. ज्ञान, there is nothing else. After the knowledge has taken place, even devatas cannot obstruct my liberation. Okay, I am going to read this. So, jnana mokshayoho vavidhanam nasti. And this has been mentioned as tad etat pashyan rishi. Tad etat pashyan rishi. See the word here. Tad hi etat pashyan rishi. When that is this, that which is substratum, and this is the Atma. One who sees the rishi, Vameda, Pratipede. Pratipede means he owned, he declared. He declared. Before I go ahead, I have to touch a grammatical point now, because without that it won't be clear. There is something called present participle. Walking, talking, thinking, laughing. What is in Sanskrit called the same thing is as Shatru Pratyaya. Gachan, Shwasan, Pralapan. Ing comes, that is called present participle. Okay. But supposing I use the word, seeing I watch, seeing TV, while seeing I watch you, while seeing I eat, while seeing I eat. What do you mean by that? Main two verbs are there. One is seeing, other is eat. Eat is main. While seeing I eat. You know what is the point here? Seeing and eat are at samkal. They are not two times. Eating and seeing, both the action are at same time. Okay. There is no time gap in between. If I had to say time gap in between, then I would have said, after seeing I eat. Drishtva, tva pratyaya is there. Having seen, aham ashitvan, I have eaten. So there is a time gap between two kriya. So present participle is to tell that the other kriya, other verb, and this, they are not having gap, and they are simultaneous. Okay. I hope you got this. Difficult to nahi hai. Now in this Vamdev Rishi, what is said here, please see the mantra here. That Rishi Vamdev, Pashyan. Pashyan is again present participle. While seeing, Pratipede, owned. Means he got moksha. So while seeing the Brahman, while seeing is knowing. Knowing the Brahman, he had moksha. That means knowledge and moksha were not two different times. This is a point which is brought out here. So, see the word here, tad he tat pashyan rishi vamadeva pratipede. And what he said, what is the moksha? Aham manu, aham surya, aham हम सब जगह जोड़ दो, सब जगह आप अहम अहम कर दो. अच्छा. So, what does Pashyan indicate? Kal, Vyavadhan, Abhavah. No obstacle of time for gaining jnana and moksha. Kal, Vyavadhan, Abhavah. Vyavadhan can come before the knowledge. This is a good point here. You can collect all these data. बोले ज्ञान तो हो गया उनको, मोक्ष नहीं हो रहा है. ऐसी बात मत करो. ज्ञान हो गया, अब फिर यू आर आस्किंग उनके डेथ के बाद क्या होगा. ध्यान देना, दिस इज ऑल कॉल्ड न्यूज़पेपर वेदांत. स्वामी अखंडानंद जी used to say, भाई अखबारी वेदांत की बात मत करो. And unless you go through each line and each word, you won't get the hidden principles. And there is we need Acharya, Bhashya, etc. They open, there is a lock there. They open all these things. We will see more in our next class.